Hey guys, welcome back to Gant's Homesteading. So we've got a couple of things that we got to do today. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, subscribe, and let's get to work. We're going to feed the bees with some fondant. Our local bee store was closed, so we had to go to Walmart and get that. So we'll see how this works out. We also don't know how much to feed them, so we're just giving them some. So they like the fondant, they're already covering it. We just got the plainest that we could get. We didn't want any dyes or anything in there. And we'll check back in a couple of days. Alright, so next step is to push our bale of hay that's right back there. I don't know if you can tell, the sun's out. We got to push it from way up there all the way down here to the cows.
Manpower!
They are ready for their new bale of hay. Alright, so we have got the hay down here to the fence. We have to clean up this little area. So we use, not me, Dakota used some T-posts to make a little area for the hay. So that way we're not wasting as much. Before, I don't know if you can see the ground. All of this extra was from the first couple of bales that we got that we didn't have anything containing it, and we wasted a lot of it. And with it being winter, we're trying to be frugal. Hay's expensive. So we built this little thing to hold the hay in place and not deteriorate so much. We've got a ratchet strap here, and then he made a little gate on Opal's in the way, but behind Opal where she's at, that opening has a gate.
Watch out, girl. Back up. Back up.
What is with the low little moo? Oh, you want that hay. It sounds like a phone vibrating. Alright, so now we're at the chicken coop. We have not been able to clean it much lately. We've just had to work a lot. So we are going to get it cleaned, scrape off the roosting bars, and we've only been using pine shavings right now because every time we put straw or hay in, they just kick it all out and we're wasting it all. So at this point, we're just doing the shavings. It seems to last longer. We do have new ideas for a different coop. One where we don't have to use bedding at all. So eventually we'll get that far. But for now, we'll just work with what we got. And don't worry, we did take the netting off of the hay out there. We just didn't record it. I also have to empty the duck pools even though it's winter. We still have to bust the ice so the ducks can swim. It's pretty nasty, so we're going to clean that out today as well. you can see it on camera, but this, hey, don't bite me. The blue right there, right here, there's like a bluish. That means this one would lay blue eggs. This is our only silkie. We were happy to receive this one after our frizzle died. So over here, where we dump our bedding from the chicken coop, this is where our ley lines are. When we moved in, there was no grass, it was all gravel. Most of this whole area behind the coop and all to the side of the coop had no grass. It was gravel and it was all torn up because they had just redone the ley lines. And since we've been doing this whole area has more grass than almost our whole yard. It just grows so thick.
Good footnote before you guys start this project is to get your most expensive shoes and dress wear, the nicest you can find. You know, really make that make those views go up, because you don't want to do it with ratty old nasty stuff that you don't care about. Now here in a minute, when the ducks get done with their bath or shower, whatever you want to call it, they're going to go in there, they're going to talk to each other and be like, this ain't what we wanted, sir. We wanted a 5-star hotel, not no 3-star motel, if you get what I'm saying. Here they come. I see farm people. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I heard something really freaky out here on the farm. We gotta make a run for it now, because back there somewhere in this area, yeah, real loud noise. I don't know if it's Bigfoot, Sasquatch, the abominable snowman. There's no snow out here, but who knows? UFOs. Let's run like the Blair Witch Project. Something's gonna get us!
This girl, I guess, hasn't been getting enough food. I picked her up and she's real thin right here, like she hasn't had food. Oh yeah, it's full now, her crop. All I felt was her breastbone, so she's gonna get a little food and then we'll let her back outside. She's one that we keep with our meat birds. But she approves of our feeding system. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share us with a friend, and leave us a comment. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.